For today, tuturo ko naman sa inyo on how to open your online BPI para to sa mga hindi ma-access yung BPI nila in an application. So you can visit their website online.bpa.com.ph and then makikita niyo yung welcome page nila and you can log in your credentials here. And then after that, lalabas yung ganitong page. Have your SMA 7050 ready. So, yung device na nakaregister yung account ninyo. However, minsan, hindi na natin makita yung device or minsan, hindi natin nare-receive ito sa device natin. Pero, just simply click continue. Once you click the continue, may mag-a-appear na ganito. However, dahil nga hindi nyo makita yung device nyo, you will be using SMS, OTP instead. After 2 minutes, lalabas yung options na yan. Use SMS, OTP instead. Just click that. And once you click that, be ready with your mobile number. So, and then click yes, send me the code. And then kindly wait for the message na marireceive nyo sa inyong cellphone number. And then click for the OTP. So, just simply type the OTP in your BPI and then click confirm. After that, you may now open your BPI account. So your BPI now account is already open in their website.